While we've been here at CATS, what I think we've done is we have created an environment, a space, a society where we have listened to each other. We've shared between us so many stories. And the powerful message for me about that is that we have to remember always that everybody has a story. The person who's bullied, the person who's doing the bullying, everybody's got a story. And until we start to listen to the other person's story and not just hold on to our own story, we won't begin to break down the barriers of inclusion.
To have people that believe in you, to be in a place where you feel special, to have this amazing view, I feel like they're going to come back completely changed.
We're playing together, learning together, having fun together. Yeah.
I live in Israel, in a region that needs desperately hope. And kids produce hope when they wake up in the morning.
I think sometimes our culture in Zimbabwe, it's too restricted, like, you're a kid, I'm a parent, just listen to everything I say. So that's something I really want to bring out, like bringing out a dialogue between the two. So I found it very unique, a dialogue between the younger generation and the older generation.
I was teaching younger children about children's rights.
Above just learning about children, I learned how to understand other people who are different than me and how to create a platform for them to express themselves.
I would like this place to be in every country in the world, so every child can know his or her right.
Je pense que j'ai également appris qu'on a tous des problèmes. Ça, on le sait tous. Mais la bibliothèque humaine m'a vraiment appris à se décentraliser de mes problèmes, à apprendre à s'ouvrir aux autres et vraiment à comprendre les problèmes des autres, tout simplement. CATS, d'accord, c'est les enfants qui ont leur voix, mais c'est surtout une communauté qui partage des choses, qui inclut les gens, qui est incroyablement ouverte aux autres et aux différences. Et j'avais jamais vu ça avant.
And now we need to take the lessons that we've learned this week down the mountain and look at how we can explore and develop them and replicate them in other parts of our lives.
I was a lonely soul, but that's the only. A little wiser now for much show me. I feel again.